Welcome to our guide on the basics of Nevada LLC tax conversion. We will make understanding this process simple and straightforward. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Firstly, let's clarify what an LLC is. It stands for Limited Liability Company, a popular business structure for its flexibility and simplicity. As of last year, there were over 300,000 active LLCs in Nevada. Naturally, like any other business, an LLC is subject to taxation. By default, a single-member LLC is taxed as a sole proprietorship, and a multi-member LLC is taxed as a partnership. But some LLCs may wish to be taxed as a corporation for various reasons, perhaps to lower their tax liability, benefit from different tax treatments, or to attract investors. The decision should be made after careful consultation with a tax professional. So how is this tax conversion done? Our organization can file an IRS Form 8832 Entity Classification Election on your behalf. This form allows you to change the tax classification of your LLC. This change can be made effective up to 75 days prior to the date of filing, or up to 12 months after the date of filing. The form must be completed accurately to avoid unnecessary complications. As an interesting fact, in 2020, the IRS reported that just under 10% of all LLCs elected to be taxed as a corporation. It's not for everyone, but for some businesses, it is a strategic advantage. Once the form is filled out, our team will mail it to the appropriate IRS service center. It's always wise to keep a copy for your own records. Remember, converting your Nevada LLC's tax status can be a strategic move that leads to future growth, but it's a decision that should be made with careful consideration and professional guidance. If you need more information about how the LLC tax conversion process works, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps mentioned in this video? Do they make sense to you? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.